Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your GitHub project into Netlify. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in Netlify and then sign in into your account and then go here and press on import from Git and then choose GitHub and then input your username and email or email and then password and then choose the repository or the project that you want to deploy and then connect it to Netlify, and then you can see the deployment and get the live link, and that's it. And then you can also change the deployment, make it automatically if any changes happen to that GitHub project. It will be also automatically happened in the deployment in Netlify, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.